y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl ℎ𝕆𝕄𝕄𝔼, back again with another video. Y'all, I'm so excited to have my nice little mannequin hand. Honey, she feels really lifelike. It's giving what it needs. I accidentally ordered the wrong shade, but you know, it's neither here nor there. I need it for the purpose of what it is made for, not necessarily the shade of it. So it is cool or whatever. What was I gonna say? So all the nail videos are about to be back up and popping, y'all. I'm so excited, so ready. So I got the hand from Red Iguana. And it was a bad thing that I didn't realize the shade, because it took a little while for it to come, because they had an issue with their ordering system and they didn't see my order, so I could have changed it, but had I known, but I didn't. So I ordered the hand. It came with the little ring. The little nail inserts, I had to order those separately. I ordered the actual the long stand for the hand, because you know I got to have it on something. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. So definitely get ready for the nail content. I'm probably going to be recreating some, and I have the primer too. I don't know how that works. I think it goes on the actual mannequin hand, but don't get me to lying. So let's get into this video. So like I said, those are the nail inserts. You just place them inside of the nail bed. So just to start it off, so this is a 𝕸𝕽𝕂𝕉 ℸ𝕆𝕄𝕉 video, as you've seen from the title. So what I'm going to do is, like, if that was my client's natural nail bed, I'm just going to go ahead and buff it out and get around the cuticle, and you know, just buff it out, sand it out, and go ahead and kind of clean up the free edge of the nail as well. Go ahead and do that through all of the nails, just making sure you know, you're getting around, especially if this is a live person's hand. This is not a live person's hand, so I can't really show it to you like I have before. But make sure you get around the cuticle, clean up the cuticle, get rid of any cuticle dead skin and cuticle skin around the cuticle. Wow. To make sure that it looks really nice and even once you start to actually do the nails. Then we're going to go ahead and dust off the little fingers. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my buffing board and go ahead and clean up the natural nails, make them really nice and really even. Definitely helps with the application. And then, you know, once the nails do come off, you just don't want the natural nails looking all jagged and janky. We can't have that. No, sorry, Bob. Oh my gosh, I'm not about to start this. I'm not going to start yawning, y'all. I'm so sorry. So yeah, just cleaning up each and every nail. And go ahead and dust off the hands again if they did get a little dusty. I'm going to go ahead and take my base coat gel, apply that to each nail, and then I'm going to remove it. From the long stand, and then I'm going to put it in my lights to cure it, because baby, I was not about to use the little flashy to do that. Nope, just going to take her off and put her in the light. And we'll be back once they're cured. Now that we're back, I took the full cover nails. I did the XXL coffin nails. Going to go ahead and now apply your base coat gel in the nail, and then apply it to the nail bed, you know, of course aligning it with the cuticle, making sure everything is nice and flush, and just pressing it until that, you know, to try not to leave any bubbles. Sometimes the bubbles are unavoidable, kind of depending on the depth of the nail and the person's nail bed, if it kind of like aligns perfectly. I have had cases where I've done people's Gel X nails and they've had a few bubbles in them, like a little gap, but the nail was still secured enough to where they didn't have any lifting. And the person had the nails on for like 2 weeks, so they stayed very, very well. So just make sure, you know, you pay attention, you try to get all the bubbles out. You know, if you apply it one time and it kind of gives some bubbles, you could definitely remove it, and then just kind of re-smooth the gel out inside of the press the fake nail, and then just reapply it again. So yeah, just keep following that same process. I used the little flashies. I'll make sure that I put the link down in the description. I got those off of Amazon in a 3-pack, and I think they were like $12.99, $11.99, something like that. They were no more than $15, and you get 3 of them, so that'll definitely last you for a long time. And yep. So yeah, I was saying in the beginning, I think I'm gonna start recreating some of the press-on sets that I've done as Après gel Après nails. So we'll see. Y'all let me know. Go check out the nail page and let me know what sets you want to see recreated. And it kind of just give you a basis, a look into how I actually do my press-on nails as well. But I'm really definitely going to be pushing out some polygel content, because I definitely want to, you know, master that, because I feel like that's the closest to acrylic. And if I get that down packed, then I might start dabbling in acrylic, which I actually have some acrylic and things in on me, and I just haven't used them as of yet. So now, after I basically buffed out the nail, I went ahead and and before you apply it, if it was a person's actual nail, before you apply the base coat to the natural nail, you would put apply dehydrator and primer to make sure that the nails definitely stay intact for a long period of time. That definitely helps the longevity of the set as well. So now, y'all, I don't know why I decided to do French tips, but I just decided to do French tips, and boy, when I tell you, it was a time and a ride, okay? It wasn't that bad. It's just that when I do them, I don't know if any other way. I might have to look into it. I feel like there's probably another way to do it, but basically I applied the polish to the length of where I wanted the actual smile line to stop, and then I just went in with some acetone and a brush and just cleaned it up, and just made it, you know, really uniform, really nice, really clean. And then I went ahead and added the white polish for the actual French tip. Make sure I did 2 coats of the pink, and then I did 2 coats of the white as well. So I think I just skipped all of that, and then I went to the actual designing of the nails. So yes, so here we are. Got all my little stickers. I got a lot of these from Etsy, and I got something from ℂ𝕆𝕄𝕄𝔼. Y'all probably seen her on Instagram and on TikTok. Oh my gosh, she's definitely a nail inspo. Like she really be doing the thing, okay? Yeah, I'll put in what I got from her store. But I definitely got these from Etsy, I believe, or either eBay. I believe these were from Etsy. Yes. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply all of my little stickers. I think I put nail foil glue or nail glue, not nail glue, but like the foil glue on there, and then I cured them. Those help to make them lay flatter, but you don't have to do all of that. You could definitely just polish the nail and then apply the sticker, and then apply the top coat and keep it pushing. I just kind of just went crazy with this. I actually made a press-on set that will be available on my Etsy shop. Well, not that set, but it'll be, you know, whatever size you want. It'll be it could be recreated in whatever length. Well, I do have the little dragons in the like super small sizes, the pink dragons, but everything else is kind of like regular size. So this kind of looks better on longer lengths, either like the medium length to the XXL length. On the short lengths, like the short square, I don't see this being as cute. So that's one thing that I would suggest. Just for me, I wouldn't see that on the short square that I have. No, not at all. So yes, y'all, here's the final results. These came out so stinking cute, but wait until you see the press on set. Make sure you shop my Etsy. It's at EbsNailedIt. My Etsy shop is at nailed it. The link will be down in the description below. Make sure you tap in. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. My personal Instagram is at Naturalbeautyeb. The business Instagram is at EbsNailedIt. Y'all, these came out so freaking cute. And then I did the thumbs how I did them. Y'all, I'm so excited. Here's the Etsy. Make sure you tap in. Thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to create more nail content for you all, and I'll see you in the next video.